Hey, today I want to talk to you about high ticket riches. And in this review, I want to show why it's important to really consider and make the effort to promote high ticket products or high priced products. A lot of affiliates, I think they sometimes maybe are intimidated to try to promote high ticket products, but it really doesn't take any additional work or effort to do it. But the reward is so much more, okay? And so don't struggle to make a few dollars a sale. Instead, go for the high ticket. Let's go down here a little bit. Val does a great job kind of showing the numbers here, right? So, instead of just going after, pennies, for example, say you're promoting something where maybe you're making as a $10 product and you make 100% commission. So you're going to make $10 every time you make a sale. So if your goal is to make $3,000 a month, then you've got to sell 300 products every month to make $3,000. That means you got to make 10 sales every single day, okay? That takes a lot of effort and work. But let's say you're instead promoting something that pays you $1,000 a sale. And so to make $3,000 a month, you only have to sell 3 products. That's it. 3 products at $1,000 is $3,000 for that month. That's not even a sale a week, okay? And so I think you can see why it's important. And it really doesn't take a lot of effort. And like he says here, in fact, a lot of times it can even be easier to sell a high ticket product if you know how to do it. And that's what you're going to learn in this high ticket riches training. It's a great product. It'll go through exactly what to do. It is on a dime sale. The front end is only $7.82 right now. And you're going to learn how to promote high ticket products, okay? It's very good training on the front end. The best value, though, I think, for this high ticket riches product is actually the first upsell, because he gives you a completely done for you, and I'm going to show you all this in just a minute, opt-in page, thank you page, a website, a full website, and 14 days of follow-up emails that you just put into your autoresponder, and it's a done for you system, okay? So let's go in. Here we are. This is when you purchase it. This is where you can log in. So I'm going to show you I did buy this. I purchased the front end myself, which is the training. This is video training. It's very good. It's very thorough. And then I did purchase the done for you funnel. Again, this is the opt-in page, the thank you page, and the full website, along with 14 done for you emails. Email swipes, and I purchased an additional 14-day email sequence, and so I have 28 days of email follow-ups. And this is great. I'm not going to open this up because I don't want to give away exactly what you're getting necessarily. But Val makes it super easy to set up. So if you're not real great technically, you are going to need a domain name. You're going to need hosting. And it's all done through WordPress. So as long as you have a clean WordPress install on your domain, or in my case, I created a subdomain, then basically you just import all the files, and then you just make some very simple modifications, which he shows you exactly how to do. And since you have the email messages, obviously you're going to need an email autoresponder, such as Aweber or GetResponse. So what does the funnel look like? This is the free opt-in page. Again, everything is done for you. All you need to do is create your email opt-in code, which again, he shows you how to do, and then you just add that code to the page. And so when someone puts their email in and clicks watch the video now, then they're taken to this thank you page. And so you're given this thank you page. There's a little kind of pre-sell video here, just 2 minutes long. This video is included as well, or you can add your own video if you choose to. And then you hit show me the video now. And that's going to take you to the high ticket product. It's actually a training. It's a free training that you're given. And then obviously they're going to promote the product after that. And so it's a very nice setup. Then, as I mentioned, you do get the email follow-ups. And so the email follow-ups from your autoresponder, most of them are going to take people from the email message to this website. So this is the website that you're going to import and get. And again, it's all done for you. All the articles are done. Most of the articles have videos in them as well, which are done. This, links to the opt-in page. and everything is done. And so it's a really nice system because this opt-in page will convert very well using solo ad traffic. So you could buy solo ads from Udemy, send them to the opt-in page. They'll go to the thank you page, they'll click through to watch the video, and then very likely they'll make a purchase. You know, a certain percentage of people will make a purchase on one of their entry-level products. So this product, this high-ticket product, it has it's not just a high-ticket offering. They have several lower-cost products that lead up to the high-ticket, and so it's really well done, and it does a great job taking them through that process. And then the follow-up emails, almost all of them are going to take them to this website that you get as part of the funnel. And so they're going to be able to read the article, watch the video as part of the article, and then be presented with making the purchase. And again, all your affiliate links are on this site, so you don't need to do anything. When you set this up, everything is done for you. Now, for $27, you're getting a lot. You're getting this opt-in page that's done, the thank you page that's done, the website that is completely done with content and has all your affiliate links in it, and you're getting the follow-up email messages. So it's really a great product that has everything you need in it, and it all works together very well. It's all connected very well. So even though this may be a little more, because you're going to, if we go back here, you're going to spend, $7 on the front end. Really good training, definitely worth the $7. And then you are going to pay $27 for the funnel, but that is such a low cost for everything that you're getting. The opt-in page, thank you page, the full website with all your links, and the 14-day follow-up email sequence. And if you want to pick up the extra 14 days, you certainly can. But I would definitely get this funnel as well. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave the link for High Ticket Riches in the description box down below. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And also, thanks so much for watching, and subscribe so you can get more information as I put new videos out.